everyone had a great time, and when the next topic was said to be Gothic, then I guess everyone's like, okay, this should be fun. We're with Mike, so whatever happens.
We've got some great schemes out of a very compromised year, and I think that actually I've kind of felt like there was more of a collective sense of the unit, possibly because we've been corralled within the walls of the city. And every now and again through your projects we see like an overview of the city.
So in fact, we haven't seen each other physically for about 2 months, and it feels an enormous amount of time. At the same time, we have seen each other enormously because we have been virtually every week in touch with all of you.
But I think it's been more difficult this year, and more of an accolade to you in a way, that you've done that through the lockdown, where you can't sit in the studio next to each other.
We've all enjoyed this unit a lot, and it's helped us, I think, grow quite a lot in our architectural development, but also the social aspect, I think, of our unit was quite a special one in comparison to the whole thing, and I will miss that a lot.
We need to pin it up.